The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own.
Another perfect ending to another perfect day. Tomorrow's found me waiting, expecting it that way. You may want four walls, well, I need a place to stay. But when the birds are singing, it's hard to keep away. I sit among the music of nature's finest band. The symphony of earth life is trembling in our hands. Take me, oh half moon, sheer glass and diving duck. Bring me through the mist, drop me like a rock. I'll soar downward through water grain calm, land on the bottom, wash the blood off of my palms. You still want four walls, I guess I need them too. If I leave these four walls, I'd be leaving you. Swim with you, oh beaver, the geese will ask me south. To winter in the sunshine, snowflakes in my mouth. Surface to the cold world, grasp and look around. In the blooming of the dogwood, eternity is found. Soaking up last moments, another perfect day. All the mess and heartache, tears to give away. Waiting for a voice, I've heard it here before. The sparkling winter water holds me to its shore.
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. skin. There's gotta